Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file business taxes for the first time in Canada. First, identify your business structure, such as sole proprietorship or corporation, as this impacts your tax obligations. Next, you'll need to register for a business number with the Canada Revenue Agency, or CRA, which is essential for all business interactions. Finally, mark your calendar with the specific tax filing deadlines relevant to your business type to avoid penalties. Once you've identified your business structure, the next step is to register for your business number directly with the CRA. This unique 9-digit identifier is crucial for all your tax dealings. While registering, ensure you also enroll for any necessary program accounts, such as GST/HST if your revenue exceeds $30,000 annually. Maintaining meticulous records of all income and expenses from day one is vital for accurate tax reporting. Now, let's talk about what to track. You must diligently record all sources of business income, whether from sales, services, or other revenue streams. Equally important is identifying and tracking all eligible business expenses, as these can significantly reduce your taxable income. Remember to differentiate between current expenses, which are fully deductible in the year incurred, and capital expenses, which are depreciated over several years. Finally, it's time to file. Ensure you complete the appropriate tax forms for your business type, such as Form T 2125 for sole proprietorships. Double-check all your calculations and submit your completed tax return to the CRA by the specified deadline. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them on time to avoid interest and penalties. And hey, while you're getting organized, remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.